The Lexus LBX has officially made its debut, following years of speculation about a more luxurious version of the Yaris Cross. This new model is positioned below the Lexus UX and is seen as the new entry-level offering, indirectly replacing the CT hatchback. The LBX is built on the same GAB platform as the Toyota Yaris Cross, but showcases a distinct design that aligns more closely with Lexus's signature style. LBX is slightly larger than the Yaris Cross and weighs in at 1,280 kilograms. The LBX comes with 18-inch wheels as standard and offers both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options. All variants will feature a continuously variable transmission. Powering the LBX is a hybrid system centered around a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter gasoline engine. This setup delivers a combined output of 134 horsepower and a peak torque of 185 newton-meters. Performance-wise, the LBX can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 9.2 seconds and boasts a towing capacity of 750 kilograms. Suspension details reveal a McPherson strut for the front, while the rear gets a torsion beam for front-wheel drive models and a double wishbone for the all-wheel drive versions. The all-wheel drive variant will also incorporate an electric motor at the rear, though specific details are yet to be announced. Notably, the LBX employs lightweight materials like an aluminum hood and molded resin components in various parts of the vehicle to reduce weight. It features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Buyers also have the option to add a head-up display. The center console is dominated by a 9.8-inch touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, though only Apple CarPlay offers wireless connectivity. For audiophiles, Lexus has collaborated with Mark Levinson to provide a 13-speaker sound system complemented by a subwoofer. In terms of storage, the front-wheel drive LBX offers a cargo capacity of 332 liters with the rear seats upright. However, the all-wheel drive version might offer slightly less space due to the additional components at the rear. Despite being an entry-level model, Lexus emphasizes that no compromises have been made in terms of quality and attention to detail. A noteworthy point is that the LBX is the first Lexus model primarily developed in Europe. Production is set to commence by the end of the year, with sales in Europe and other markets expected to start in early 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.